Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Now, let us see the grammar part of articles. Articles means a and the. These are of two types. First one is definite article. And the second one is indefinite articles. Definite article is the. Indefinite articles are a and. A and are indefinite articles and the is the definite article. Definite means particular. So, in the blanks will be given. So, a blank and a noun. A noun or anything will be given. So, there we have to fill the blank with these articles. Fill in the blanks with the articles or no articles. Article will be given in the blank. So, here we have to find which article will come there or no article. When should we use these articles? We should know first. First of all, let us see the particular. That means the definite article, the. So, when should we use the? The is used before the particular persons or things. The king, we can use that. The king. Persons or things. Anything which we will say. In the first bench. In this bench. Also in such a way, particularly this book, particular book, the book. Or else we can say any book. If any other book means we can say a book. But if particularly I want to take the particular book, I have to use the. So that is the particular thing or particular person. Next one, repeated words. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer. So in the first sentence, we use a farmer. That means oka urlo oka farmer unnadu. And in the second sentence, we have to repeat about the farmer. We have to write the farmer because we have already introduced the farmer. There was a farmer. So now we are telling about the particular farmer. That's why we have to use the here. So in such a way, the repeated things or repeated persons will be said about with the. So that is the definite article, the repeated word. So repeated thing. My father brought me a pen. The pen that my father brought is writing very well. So that in the first sentence we have to introduce that. In the second sentence, the repeating. So the same word is repeating again. Then we have to use the. Next, musical instruments. The veena, the guitar. So before the musical instruments also, we need to use the. And next, newspapers. The Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle. So the. Before the newspapers also we used to use the. Historical monuments. The Taj Mahal. In such a way, the Golconda Fort. So, for such historical monuments also we have to use because they are singular and the particular. So that's why we have to use them. Awards. The President Award. The Nobel Prize. The. So, here also these are unique and that means the only one and only thing. Then only we have to use the before the awards. Next, holy books. The Gita. The Bible. The Quran. So in such a way, before the holy books also we have to use that. The superlative degree. I said you many times. The most, the highest, the least. So before the superlative degree, we have to use the. We have to use the before the superlative degree. The highest, the least, the most beautiful. So in such a way. Next, the abbreviated countries. The USA. The USSR. So in such a way, for the abbreviated countries also we have to use the. And next, rivers. The Krishna. So the Ganga. So in such a way, before the rivers also we have to use seas. In such a way, seas also. Seas, oceans. For before the seas and oceans also we have to use the. Next, unique things. Unique things means strange things or single things. For such, the earth revolves around the single, one and only. Such kind of things are called unique things. Such unique things also can be said with the. Next, deserts. So the Thar desert, the Sahara desert also, and forest, the Amazon forest. So forest also. Mountain ranges, the ranges of mountain, not a single mountain. So when it is in the ranges of mountain, so then we have to say that islands, group of islands. So group of islands also we can say with the group of islands. Next, train, the Chennai Express, the Chennai Express. A Chennai Express, not only one Chennai Express will be there. So in such a way, express, the Pinakini Express. So in such a way, the train means we have to say. In such a way, aeroplanes and helicopters also, if they are called with any name, particular names, for them also we can use before the. And we cannot use the aeroplane, but the name of the aeroplane, if it is given like the Chennai Express, the Pinakini Express, in such a way for any aeroplanes names were given for the aeroplanes and helicopters and ships. Ships, for example, the Titanic. In such a way, for these names also we. In the same way, rockets, satellites and artificial satellites and submarines, all these also before them, because they are given a particular name and they are unique. That's why all these unique things, before all these unique things, we have to use the definite article. Now, let us come to the indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an. So, in these two, any countable noun, any single countable noun is given means we will use before the countable noun a or an. So, a or an we will use. See, when should we use a and when should we use an? My father bought me a pen. A pen, oka pen, edaina oka ane meaning vachinappudu we have to use a or an. A particularly annappudu maatrame use cheyali the. So, see here a. When should we use a and when should we use an? Vowels. Do you know vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels. And when the word starts with the pronunciation of vowel letter, not only with the spelling of vowel letter. When the word starts with the pronunciation of vowel letter, then an should be used before such a word. For example, apple, a, and e, ear, like I, ice, o, orange, onion, u, umbrella, So if we say that all these vowel sounds comes in between R to Amaha in Telugu. R to Amaha, only R to Amaha. These sounds, we should not see the letters. So we should not only see the letters. For example, if I say you some, for example, see that umbrella, an umbrella, okay na? An umbrella. You can say that because it is you. An umbrella. European. But here we have to use A because the letter E pronounces here, gives here the pronunciation of vowel U. That's not R to Amaha. It's not E. The pronunciation is here U. So U, that means we say vowel, consonant pronunciation. Consonant pronunciation means A. Vowel pronunciation means that is an. So we have to see the pronunciation of the pronunciation of, and another one. Let us see. M, L, A, mango. So both letters, both words starts with M. M only. Here we will start the pronunciation of mango with ma, and here we will start the pronunciation of M with M only. M. So we have to see the right an MLA. Even though the letter belongs to the consonant, we have to write here an MLA, or particularly if it is our area MLA means we have to say the MLA of our constitution. So in such a way we have to say, or else an MLA, any MLA if you want to say an MLA, not a MLA. Even though though the letter starts with M, a consonant letter. So that's the reason we have to see the letter. It's not only the letter, we have to see the pronunciation of the starting letter. Pronunciation, whether it goes to the pronunciation of vowel or it goes to the pronunciation of consonant. See that mango. Mango is a consonant pronunciation letter. So that it's like in such a way. Cereal. Umbrella. So umbrella. But university. If you take the word university, see that in umbrella, U pronounces like So here university, U pronounces like U. So it's A consonant pronunciation. So a university, an umbrella, a European. Oh, see, let us see that onion. Onion means an onion, you say. Next, 1 rupee. Oh, also here starts with the vowel letter only. But the pronunciation of O is 1. That is consonant pronunciation. So a 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee note. See that. So that's why we have to see the pronunciation of the letter. We should not see the vowel letter. We should see the vowel pronunciation. The letter starts with the pronunciation of vowel. That and comes before that word. And if it starts with the pronunciation of a consonant letter, the indefinite article of A comes before such word. So these two are only the single uncountable nouns are there, means we can use A or an. In this, A is before the uncountable consonant sound letters, sound words, and an is uncountable single vowel letter pronunciation word. So now this is no article. Sometimes no articles also we have to show. You need not to write anything there, no article. You simply have to keep a cross there, just it. Enough. See that names of persons. Raju. For example, let's take the example of Raju. We cannot say a Raju and Raju or the Raju. So we should never use before the name of a person any article we should not use. So we should not use any article before the names of a person. In such a way, villages, states, capital, cities. Village also, Gosala, A Gosala, Da Gosala, and Gosala. Nothing will come. So before the villages, states, and next sports and games also we should not use before the sports and games. So the cricket or a cricket and cricket, nothing will come. So in such a way, for sports and games also there will be no article. In such a way, seasons. Winter season is enough. The winter, the summer is not needed. So winter season. In such a unique particular things like mythological. See, God. A God, no. The God, no. So God. Heaven, hell. We need not to use any article before these words, such words. Next, single mountains. We said here, when there are mountain ranges, we have to use a group of mountain. Chain of mountains, group mountain ranges are there, means the. When there is single mountain, we need not to use any article. And single island, group of islands means again the. And single island, we need not to use any article. Next, school. What do we say? I am going to school. I am going to a school, the school. We never use. So in such a way, hospital also. If it is needed, the school means if you want to mention the particular place, then only we have to use the school. That place we need to mention. At that time only we have to use. Generally we need not to use. I go to school. I go to the school. I go to a school. Also not needed. So in such a way, hospital, shop, temple, all these things. So all these things. There is no article. We have to mention with no article with a just like with a cross. That's it. You need not to write anything. There no article. So see this the definite article and indefinite articles and write the question number 28 in the material. Thank you children. Thank you very much.